squared, kind of close. Right, that's for a square because both sides are the same. It's close. Area of a rectangle. Is anyone trying to think about it besides Livy? Are we here today? Did your brain shut off when I said most important lesson of the year? Totes. Cool. That's a great way to be. Okay. Area of a rectangle. Mia? Length times width, or base times height. Right? Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pretend like this is our length and this is our width. So right now the 9 is one term and the width is 2 terms. So the rectangle we're going to draw to find the area of is going to be a 1 by 2. So the reason I like this is because then it just organizes a little better for finding the area of each piece. Again, if you have your own way of doing it and you're showing work and you're getting them right, I don't care how you do it. This is just an organized method that works every single time, and so I like it, okay? So now I'm going to find the area of each piece individually. How do I find the area of that box? Multiply them, length times width, so 9 times 1. Then the next one would be negative 72x. Did anybody do this in their last class or last year? Anybody? Couple? Cool. Kinda? Well, we're getting more and more complicated equations this year, so it really is helpful. Okay? Now we got to be careful, though, because we have to think to ourselves, everything must always be in standard form. So watch your boxes to make sure you know which one to go first. Should the left one go first or should the right one go first? For standard form. Should the 9 go first or the negative 72x? Good job, you guys.
Wait, that's so easy.
I know. I told you I didn't say it was hard. I just said that it was.
Is that it for the lesson?
Oh, no.
Okay.
No, we're starting very basic. And we're done. Just kidding. No. We're going to get a little harder as we go. Okay. Let's try the next one. Actually, we're skipping BU. I want to go to C. So this one again would be a 1 by 2. Negative 3y for the first one. Good, Caleb. Oh, nope. Careful. Think about what we did last time. What happens on that second box when I do y times y? It is going to be positive because of the 2 negatives. Y squared. Yeah, you got to add the exponents. Yes. Because there's 2 y's, so you have to add their exponents when you multiply them, so it's y squared. And then I want to put it in standard form. You got it. And if I really wanted to, I could say like a quadratic with 2 terms, but who wants to review that, right? Even if it's on your homework tonight. So quadratic, because it's a squared with 2 terms, right? The first one was linear, because it's the invisible 1 exponent with 2 terms. Okay. Let's just stop here. Any questions so far?
Wait, what? What did you just say? That was confusing.
It was review of what we learned in 7.1 with the vocabulary. So this one has 2 things being added or subtracted, so it's 2 terms, and its highest exponent is 2, and that one is one of the ones with a special name called a quadratic. Okay? Okay, this is where on 3A, or 2A, sorry, this is where the box method really starts coming in handy because it keeps track of everything. The difference this time, though, is that my box isn't going to be a 1 by 2 anymore. It's going to be a 2 by 2. Yep. So y minus 3, 2y plus 5.
Oh, yeah, I remember this.
Now it's familiar? Good. So you're going to take it. Everyone look up here, right? You're going to take it each box at a time by itself, right? So that one would be 2y squared. Very good. Then 5y.
And negative 5.
So close. Multiply.
Yeah. Oh, 6.
There we go. Negative 6y. And then negative 15.
And then you had.
Hold on, careful. I need that half of the class to give me some feedback over there by the door and in the back. How are we doing, okay? Yeah? Okay, what's different about this one than the other ones that we did? There's something different this time. It has 4. Okay, touche. That is different. You're correct. There's something else different, though. Huh? They're being multiplied. They were being multiplied on the other one because it was still area. That's a good guess. What else? This is the first one we've seen that has like terms. Does that make sense? Those are the same variable with the same exponent, so I have to combine them. Okay? So as you decide which one to put first, so it's in standard form, so 2y squared, make sure you're putting your like terms next to each other so that you realize I have to add my like terms. Whoa, that's wrong. I'm going to walk around and see how we're doing. I want you to try C and B. C and B. I don't know why I said C first. Okay? I'm going to walk around and see how we're doing. Try C and B.